FreeReels Short Drama Setup. How to start streaming on FreeReels. If you want to start streaming on FreeReels and basically start using it, you want to launch the FreeReels application here. And after you launch it, this is the interface you will see. So you can begin logging in with your account. So to do that, after you open the app, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen right there. And from the top right hand side, you can see the sign in button. So you want to just tap on sign in from there. And you can see two options to sign in with Facebook or Google. So let's say I select sign in with Google. I can select my Google account and I can simply log into my account. And once I'm logged in, I'll be able to simply start streaming on FreeReels by watching all of the dramas that are available over there. So you can go ahead and then begin playing any drama of your choice. That way you can start streaming on FreeReels. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.